I'm James Adkins, the leader of the Bacon Swug User Group here in Burlington, Alamance County, North Carolina.
How many members do you have in your user group, and how often do you meet?
We have about 55 members on the mailing list right now. We meet once a month, and we have, for the most part, about 32 to 35 active members who are regularly attending our meetings. What I like most about being a user group leader, the opportunity to network and help people promote themselves, to help them train and become more efficient. And that makes them feel good, which is what we're all about, is training and education. Being able to network with people, connect with people in the community, in education, bringing students together to network with potential employers, and then helping employers find potential candidates for hires. It's a fantastic way to network. The training opportunities for industry is fabulous. We have some amazing presenters that really bring their A game when they come in and present for us.